Good morning students. Today I will show you how you will install GIMP. Okay. For this you will download the installer. It will download from http www.gimp.org. Okay. Public downloads. Okay. You can copy this URL and you will paste the URL in your web browser. Okay. Or you can directly click here. Okay. After that, when you will click or paste the URL, here you will paste your URL. Here, when the URL will open, here you will see there are two options: download GIMP 2.10.20 via BitTorrent or download GIMP 2.10.20 directly. Okay, there are for different operating systems: GNU Linux, OS X, Microsoft Windows, and all. Okay, this is for Windows, GIMP for Windows. So you will click on this download GIMP 2.10.20 directly. When you will click here, click this. Then you will click here, left hand corner, see the mouse cursor here. The GIMP is downloading in the progress of download. Okay, I have already downloaded, so I will cancel this. So when you will complete your download, here see the logo type GIMP. You will click on this, double click. This is the setup. You will double click on this setup. When you click on this setup, here you will see this type of window will appear. You will click on the run. Okay. After that, it will ask for language. By default, English will be appear. Okay, on the screen. Next, you will click on the install. Here in the install, the installation process will begin. After that, here you will see the extracting files by green color. Okay, here you will see. After that, you will click on the finish installation. Okay, here you will see. You will click on the finish installation. Okay, so this is the process of download and installation. Okay, after that, if you want to install on Linux, you will run the command apt-get on the terminal. Okay, then you will continue with installation. Then the desired packages are unpacked. Okay, after that, the GIMP is also available in Ubuntu Software Center and is directly accessible. Okay, in the Ubuntu software, it is directly accessible. Okay, it is a Linux based operating system. Okay, so starting with GIMP, GIMP may be launched in two ways. First, clicking on the GIMP icon. Okay, or by typing GIMP command on command line interface. Okay, so how we will open? Minimize this, or here click on GIMP. So the GNU image manipulation program. This is the window of GNU GIMP. Okay, so this will appear on the screen when you will click on the GIMP. Okay, there are so many types: file, edit, select, view, image, layer, colors, tools, filters, windows, help. So tomorrow we will work on some option, okay, of GIMP or GNU image manipulation. Okay,